I am home from work, a parent-teacher conference, grocery shopping. So my daughter wants my bed, which is great because my new one came in today. So today I am going to try and tackle moving this bed over into her room and at least putting the curtains up. I'm also going to give her my nightstands and the lamps. I'm keeping that though. Here is a sneak peek of what the bed looks like. This box looks so dirty and the bed is upside down. So stay tuned. The curtains are up, and so is most of the bed. I still have to finish the center pieces.
Trying to deep fry the turkey inside of the apartment? Yes.
This is what I'm hoping to clean up today. It's a big mess when you're trying to decorate. It takes a lot of time and work. So let's get started. few more updates I'm doing is I'm replacing this light fixture. Come close here. With this one. And I'll let you guys know how it looks next time. If it gets up next time. And I'm also replacing this light fixture with a little fan so that I can get rid of this fan here. Because it gets hot in this area in the summertime. It gets very hot.